So hello, I'm sitting in my Volvo XC70 right now and I am about to start activating the navigation through the Vdash. I already made a payment to my credit account and the car is connected. Let's see how it goes. I did decode the SEM last night, so you need to do that before you can activate it. What I'm gonna do is just relay the settings. System enabled. Basket. This should be done. Now we can go and check that. Did it work? Close that down. And here we have it. It's all activated and I have downloaded already my map from the Volvo website. I can update myself via USB stick like I have in here. And it takes about 1 hour 40 minutes. Latest maps available. Well, thanks for watching and hope it helped or answered some of your questions. So here it is. The activated navigation system. Vdash. It's